Welcome back to my YouTube channel, James Tech Guru. Hopefully you've been liking the content I've been providing you guys. Right now I'm a newbie. Trying to get some great videos, some great content out to you guys, video gaming, all the way from emulators down to the present, current latest and greatest Xbox and PlayStation games that you can see that I've been posting. Also, I'm trying to get into more unboxing. Showing you some new technologies that are coming on the market. Of course, we live in a time that we're locked down, that we need to experience some goodness from what is out there in the world. I know we can't really get out there and do much shopping, but at least you could see what is out there on the outskirts, that are latest and greatest cool technology stuff that will probably be in the market shortly, such as upcoming products. Could be cell phone products, could be emulator, portable emulator systems, and all sorts of different technologies. We're probably going to have a multi-sequence video of showing building a Pi platform, setting up the hardware down to the software, and also any titles that you guys would like me to provide. Please give me your feedback, and I'll do the best I can. And just wanted to give you another update that we are going to be adding more games to the channel. It might take me some time to to catch up on some of my backlog catalog. So anyway, you guys have a great one, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and also if you want to support the channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Bye now.